Okay, to replace the screen, first you need to make sure it's completely powered off. Remove the battery. You need to take off this display bezel, which is held on mostly by clips and a couple screws. Screws are covered up by these little plastic covers. Remove those. A very small Phillips head screwdriver. And then start by prying off on the top first. If you can't get in there, you can use something, just gently lift it up. Pop it off. Go down the sides. Just a little bit of gentle encouragement. Be careful, there's wires around the perimeter. Get a little bit of action on there, it pops right off. Make sure everything's off and then go down the bottom. Get the last little ones off. Pull that aside. Now there's 4 main screws in each corner that hold the screen in place. And the screen should just lift right up. And the connector is over here. It's attached. It's actually reinforced with a little piece of adhesive. Which I've already pulled this off once. So using that little flat blade, encourage this thing off slowly. And there's a little latch. Lift up to release the connector. Pulls out. Put the old screen out. The new screen. Reverse the procedure. Pop the bezel back into place, put the screws in, and you're done.